process itself was calm. I just sat in the chair like any other haircut, let her do her thing. I mean, she was extremely cautious because there are a few things where, you know, she'll be blow drying your head and it can get hot, or she's using alcohol on your head and, you know, that may burn, but she's really, really keen to those things. So she's got knowledge in the industry. So the process took about 2 hours maybe, and maybe a little bit longer just because it was our first time, but, you know, just a little alcohol on your head, shave your head, and she uses certain adhesives, whatever she thinks might work best for your skin type, whether you have oily, dry, or natural, or what season it might be. There's various different kind of glues she can use, and she applies that and you're good to go. So it's an extremely easygoing process, not strenuous whatsoever on my end.